And we are going to draw the scene where Goldilocks is sleeping in Baby Bear's bed and 3 bears just left. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with Goldilocks' eyes. Oops, you already drew on your paper. Yeah, somewhere around here. So we're going to draw 2 sleeping eyes. And then a little nose. That's good. Oh, that's a cute nose. All right, and then a smile because she's blissfully sleeping, not knowing she's about to get caught. Can you draw a little smile? Good job. Now we're going to draw a little line right here. And then her cheek is going to go over and around and up. Then we'll draw a little ear right here. Oh, that was a big ear. Oh. And then I'm only gonna draw one ear because her curls are gonna cover up this ear. But I'm gonna draw a bow right here. So I'm gonna draw a circle, not that high, just right here. Perfect. And then 2 half circles to make the bow. And then right next to the bow is her curly hair. So you can do curvy lines going down, and then curly lines going this way, and above it curly lines, and then another curly line right here, and another curly line right next to it, and her hair is just coming down while she's sleeping.
She doesn't notice.
Nope. She's just laying there.
I was talking about the bed.
All right. We're gonna tuck her blanket up next to her chin by doing a curved line right here. You do a curved line right next to her chin. It comes down, and that's her blanket. And it goes a little further down than her hair. And then it comes over. Then it curves over to here. Yeah, and then it goes up, and then it comes back over. She's sleeping in the bed.
She doesn't know that she has a blanket on? No, she does.
She does, okay. So we're gonna draw the top line of her mattress.
Here?
Yeah, so it kind of goes behind her curls, and then it comes down and over. So you're kind of making a rectangle right there. And then it comes, you can kind of see it under this part of mine, but depending on how you drew it, you might see it or not. And then,
I do.
Yeah, and then a little bit more back here. So it makes a mattress. You see that? Good. And then we're going to do a diagonal line right here because it shows that it's going back. Good. And then if you've got room, you can also draw a diagonal line that way.
Good.
And I feel like we should draw a little bit of the pillow right here. So just a curved line here and a curved line here to make it look like she's got a pillow under her chin, if you've got room. Okay, so now we're gonna draw a long skinny rectangle for her bedpost right here. Wow, good job. We're gonna draw a long skinny rectangle on this side too. These are her bedposts. So now we're gonna draw a diagonal line right here and one right next to it, and then a little line on top of that where they come together. And then it comes down behind her head. Or just straight down from there. Yep, that's her bedpost. And then her other one.
It's the baby bear.
The baby bear's bed, you're right. All right, so the other one is 2 diagonal lines like this. Look over here. 2 more diagonal lines like that.
Like skinny clothes.
Good job. And then it comes down here. Can you bring it down? Good job. Okay, so now should we draw? You're right, it does go underneath. And then you can connect it together. Then it comes underneath over here and you can connect it together too. That's a good job. All right, so we've got her bed. Well, now we're gonna draw Baby Bear. Okay, so Baby Bear is walking in the door and he's seeing her in his bed. So we're gonna draw his nose.
The dotty?
The Baby Bear. The nose looks like that. So it's like a triangle, but it curves at the top. And you fill it in. And then on the sides of each nose, you're gonna draw an oval shape. Can you draw an oval shape? That's a really good oval. Now we're gonna draw like a little circle, like oh. And now we're gonna draw two eyes. And then eyebrows going like this, pointing up towards each other, because he's surprised. Yep. Very good. And now we're gonna do a curved line up here, and it's gonna come down around under the oval.
What?
Yeah. Oh, that is so good. And then we're gonna draw some ears.
The Papa Bear is bigger than theirs.
Yeah. Okay, so here's two half circles for the ears. Can you draw that also? Yeah, and then you can draw some little half circles inside. And then we're gonna just draw his shoulders coming down. Good job. Now we're gonna draw Papa Bear. You wanna do Papa Bear next?
Yeah.
Okay. He's right here, off to the side a little bit. And fill it in. Okay, and then we're gonna draw an oval from his nose like this. And then we're gonna draw a frown.
They're not like a friend.
It's like a rainbow shape. And then we're gonna draw two eyes. And they can be kind of tilted together. Right now he looks kind of sad, but then this is gonna make him look angry. So, yeah, good job. That's an angry bear, good job.
More angry than yours.
And now we're gonna draw an oval that goes around like this, around his face.
I think I can do it now.
Yeah. And then we're gonna draw an ear right here and another ear right here.
Papa Bear takes long time.
And then the little half circle inside.
We did the same time.
Now we're gonna draw clothes on Papa Bear. So we're gonna draw a collar. So you make kind of a triangle, two triangle shapes coming down from under his chin. And then some buttons.
They were happy when they didn't see Goldilocks.
Yeah, they were happy until they found out someone was in their house. So you do buttons coming down his shirt.
How many?
Oh, just however many fit. And then a belt. Yeah, I did 5, but then I put a belt on the bottom. And then,
He has so many buttons for mine.
yeah, and then we're gonna curve it down
Hey, I
like this.
forgot his belt. My belt.
Okay, you can do your belt soon, but we're gonna curve down from his, right here, from his collar down to lower. Connect them with the belt. Very good. All right, and now we're gonna draw an arm. So it comes over and in, like that.
Over and
And then a cuff of his sleeve. That's okay. And then his paw. So whatever you can see of his paw, you're just going to put like paw marks there. He's got his hands on his hips. And then his other arm is going to be kind of hiding behind baby bear. So you just put the arm there. Now let's move on to mama bear. Mama bear is kind of in between those two. So right about here. Yeah, right about there. And we're going to draw her nose right there. Kind of tilted to the side if you can. Okay, and then we're going to do an oval. All right, and then we're going to draw just a little mouth like that. Good, and now we're going to draw 2 eyes.
I was to Papa Bear, right?
Mm-hmm. We can do 2 little eyelashes on each side to show she's the mama. And then we could do one that looks like a little mountain and then one that goes like that. Okay? And then we're going to draw an oval shape around her face. And if it overlaps with the others, you just have it go behind. Let's do the ears. So a half circle there and a half circle there. And now let's give her a bow so we know it's mama bear. So you do a circle with 2 like half circles on either side.
Some persons don't have bows.
Yeah, we don't wear bows very often, do we?
Yes, so we know that. Oh, could she wear earrings?
Oh, we could do little earrings. Do you want to do little earrings on mama bear?
Yeah.
That's a cute idea. Okay, so now we need to draw her shoulder coming down, and then a sleeve, and then let's draw her elbow, and we'll draw her fist too. So you draw like a curve and then some paw marks, and then a line that comes down for her dress, and then this line kind of hides behind Papa Bear. Now that is how you draw Goldilocks and the 3 bears. All right, we're coloring ours in time lapse, and you might notice that we added a door frame behind the 3 bears because that shows that they just came through the door. But you don't have to do it that way, just if you want to. And if you're coloring your picture, go ahead and hit pause in just a second, and you can use it from my example. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing Goldilocks and the 3 bears. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we'll see you next time.